bass thing? Is that supposed to subdue somebody, or is that supposed to like make you feel you're in some sort of ship?
Can I ask the questions, please?
You don't know exactly if he's going to come in on the button.
We end up, because a lot of great minds end up deluded, have schizophrenia, end up in the psychosis. So I use music.
What's that thing they're doing with these baby rooms? They say these mothers, these certain type of mothers, they're not letting the child's room be all different colors.
Choreographed march across your forehead, and
so I use music as a place to kind of keep me balanced, balance the soul.
I am not laughing. I can assure you, I'm not laughing at all.
What's that thing they're doing with these baby rooms? They say these mothers, these certain type of mothers, they're not letting the child's room.
We moved from cultural nurturing and social conditioning. Then we have grandiosity. Psychopathology, no two of the same bipolar.
Hey everybody, it's Dr. Phil. So we got a lot to talk about, and I hope he's doing all right. I got some texts from him I want to go over.
Or the deep delta state.
This is Robert Downey Jr. I don't know if you were told, but Jeff's not going to be here today,
and I know your spirit, and I've seen your spirit on camera.
You remember you have at least 5 primary ironies. A dramatic situation.
Not anymore. Clean sober. Many years.
Dude. I mean, so do you drink?
Not anymore.
Dude.
They don't want to ask anymore.
Let's retract that.
Look, people do what they do.
Do you drink?
And I'm a fan. What can I tell you?
Yeah, share the exact same phenomenon.
Well, I'm a fan too, and
I heard that you are also. I can assure you.
Intuition are often sort of
All the
freaking
gaps.
My views a bit
To the theta or the show,
which is the called reality.
I wish you would.
Kind of create a little equilibrium.
Do it all.
I have five suede.
I feel you.
Let me ask the question.
Animism, implement us.